In this video, we will see how we can create multiple sites for coordinates in Autodesk Revit. Here, if we go to location and site, we will see only internal current is there. We are renaming this as A1. This is for building 1. Similarly, by duplicating, we can create for building 2. And for building 2, we are changing the project base points location. Again, we are creating another site that is for building 3, A3. Make current, OK, and again we are changing project base point for building 3. Now save this file and go to MEP model. Here we will reload that file in which we have created multiple sites. After reloading, you can see project base point of the linked file is shifted. Now if we go to the location and site, here you will see buildings are still not here. We will get those coordinates after acquiring. See, now it's showing here A2, A1 and A3. In this way we can create multiple sites for coordinates in Autodesk Revit. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.